Hello, this is part 16, pose switching. In this video, I'm going to show how you can change the pose. So there's going to be one pose where the character is holding the gun, and there will be another pose where the character is not holding the gun. And to do that, in the animation blueprint, I add this node called blend poses, and the pose where it's holding the gun goes in here, and the pose where it's not holding the gun goes in here. Under Content, Third Person Shoot, Add New Folder. I'm going to name this Animations. Under Content, Anim Starter Pack, UE4 Mannequin, Mesh. Double-click UE4 Mannequin Skeleton. Under Retarget Manager, Set Up Rig, select Rig. From the drop-down, select Humanoid Rig. Save. Under Content, Mannequin, Character, Mesh. Double-click UE4 Mannequin Skeleton. Under Retarget Manager, Set Up Rig, select Rig, drop down, select Humanoid Rig, save. Under Content, Mannequin, Animations, right-click, Third Person, Anim BP, Retarget, Anim Blueprints, duplicate Anim Blueprints and retarget. Select UE4 Mannequin Skeleton. This directory shows you that this is under Anim Starter Pack, so that verifies that it's the correct target, and press retarget. This puts the retargeted files in the content directory. Select the retargeted files and drag this over under Third Person Shoot, Animations, and move here. So now the files are under Content, Third Person Shoot, Animations. Under Content, Anim Starter Pack, double-click UE4 ASP Hero TPP Anim Blueprint. This is a section that was added. There's two variables that were added. Gun mode is a Boolean, and is in air question mark is a Boolean. To create this node, right click, search for new state, and add new state machine. To create this node, search for new save and new save cache pose. And then rename this to locomotion cache and name this to locomotion cache. I'm gonna delete this. To get this, right click, search for use cache, and select use cache pose and then the name of the whatever you called it. Now double click Locomotion Cache. First I'm going to show how to program these 4 states, and then I'll show how to program these 4 transition rules. We'll start with this one. You go to Asset Browser and look for the same name, third person idle 2D in this case. You'll find it under here somewhere, and then drag it in. And then search for this one, drag it in, and on this one uncheck loop animation. And drag this one in here. On this one, loop animation should be checked. Drag this one in here. Uncheck loop animation. To get is in here, you can drag it in from here. To find this, you right click and search for the name. This one is third person jump underscore start. So this one is time remaining ratio. So you select this one here, time remaining ratio. On this one again, you right click, search for this name, third person jump. This one's time remaining ratio. When you're done, compile and save. Double click UE4 ASP, Hero TPP, and a blueprint. This is the blueprint that was added. This blueprint was copied from the third person character. This node is connected in between here and here. And this target and this target, they both go to here. When you're done, compile and save. Right click, select blueprints, blueprint interface. Name this gun mode interface. Double click gun mode interface. name this enable gun mode, create a new function, name this disable gun mode, compile and save. Under content, Anim starter pack, double click UE4 ASP Hero TPP Anim blueprint, press class settings. On the details panel, under interfaces, press add, search for the gun mode interface, compile and save. Double click UE4 ASP Hero TPP Anim blueprint. This is the blueprint that was added. To get this node and this node, just search for the name, for example, event enable, and then select it. For gun mode, you can drag gun mode out of here. Make sure to check this one. This one is unchecked. When you're done, compile and save. Under content, third per sheet, weapons, you need to make the exact same changes to shotgun B, FP gun, and AR4. KA47 is reserved for the AI bots use, and no changes will be made to that. So double click shotgun B. These are the changes that were made to the blueprint. This target goes to here. When you're done, compile and save. Then make the same changes to FP gun and the same changes to AR4. Under content, third per sheet, double click player character. These are the changes that were made to the drop gun blueprint. When you're done, compile and save. Double click player character. This is the gunfire blueprint. This is the blueprint that was added. It's added to the section that fires the shotgun. It's added on this completed pin off of the while loop. When you're done, compile and save. Double click player character. This is the gun switch blueprint. This section was added, and this section was added. When you're done, compile and save. Double click player character. This is the gun init blueprint. This section was added. When you're done, compile and save. Double click AIBot BT. Delete the play animation. And save that. Double click AIBot character. This is the DSheet FX blueprint. This is the section that I added. This is the fire shotgun hip montage. When you're done, compile and save. Double click AIBot character. This is the init gun blueprint. This is the section that I added. When you're done, compile and save. I'll press play to test. Going to drop that gun and switch and drop that gun. I'm going to grab this shotgun and grab this ammo. I'm going to load. I'll test fire. I'll drop the gun. I'm going to test that the character can jump correctly because I changed that. And it jumps correctly. And I'll grab this gun. So everything looks like it's working the way it should be. I'll press play to test. In this test, I'm just making sure that the AI bot is still working because I made changes to it too. And it looks like it's working the way it should be.